Drip. Stylish look, especially clothes and jewelry. He walked in with so much drip. That jacket is pure drip. Goofy. Silly or funny in a playful way. He made a goofy face. We laughed at his goofy jokes. Bussin. Very tasty. This pizza is bussin'. Wow, this burger is bussin'. Peanut. Small amount of money. He earns peanuts at his job. They paid peanuts for the car. Fam. Close friends or people you care about. You're like fam to me. I'm chilling with my fam tonight. Tea. Gossip, news, or exciting information. Do you have any tea on their fight? She loves sharing tea with friends. Ghost. To suddenly stop talking to someone or disappear. I feel bad when people ghost others. He ghosted work today and didn't tell anyone. Wimpy. Weak or not strong. He is too wimpy to lift the box. She felt wimpy after the long run. Sus. Looks suspicious or not normal. That story sounds sus. This deal feels sus to me. Sit. A small pimple or spot on the skin. I have a big zit on my nose. She covered her zit with makeup.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!